Okay.
Open it up. Rip it open. Nothing else.
That's what you wanted, huh? An owl stuffed animal. And it's a pillow, too.
How do you open this one?
Here you go. What do you say, Had? Had, what do you say?
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Here, show Dad. Cute, huh? Okay. Move on. I don't have a lot of camera left. A new water bottle for soccer. A nail set.
Ooh, thanks. Oh, this is
And that can go in your scriptures, Had, because you need your own little notepad, huh? And
That's for me.
Jaden made that. For your backpack.
Thanks, Jaden.
And then here's this from Granny.
I want some.
Guys, back.
I want some. Can somebody save me from you?
Here, I'll take them. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
JJ. Yeah, and JJ. All the time I like to JJ. Please, can I have no 5? 1 and 5.
So, how many is it?
6.
What do you tell Granny?
Thank you.
Everybody say happy birthday, Had.
Happy birthday, husband.
Happy birthday. Give her a big hug and a big kiss on the face, guys. Go do it, Jay. Brandon, give Hattie a big hug and kiss. Love you, Had.